Good morning, student. Previous video I already explained for 20 question. Today I start for 21 question. These all question are very important for class 10 student, any CBSE, any board student. This is a very important questions. Okay, this is a different question, different topics where I collect the questions and explain. Some question is coordinate, some question is trigonometry. Okay, then start for this is a 21 question is a coordinate chapter. The 21 question, the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line joining the points. First you know meaning what is the trisection. Trisection means always 1:2 ratio. Trisection means 1:2 ratio. This is called trisection. Then here a point given, here B point given. You make a line for A and B, and here P point is given x comma y, and A point given 2, -2, and B point is given -7, 4. Okay, then here P x comma y coordinate, this is a formula. Here trisection means 1:2. Trisection means 1:2. Trisection means 1:2. Okay, then if x coordinate, P x coordinate, the formula is mx2 plus nx1 y m plus n. Here m value is 1, and n value is 2. Okay, then m value is 1, x2 is this is a x1, this is a y1, this is a x2, this is a y2. mx2, x2 value is -7 plus n means 2, and x1 is 2 by m plus 1, 1 plus 2, then -7 plus 4 by 3, then -3, 1 are 3, -1, means P x coordinate is values in -1. If go P by coordinate, P by coordinate is same formula, m y2 plus n y1 y m plus n. Here m value is 1, y2 value is 4, and n value is 2, and y1 value is -2, by m plus 1 3. Here 4 minus 4 by 3 equals to 0, means y1 P coordinate x value is -1 and y coordinate value is 0. Here same, the coordinate of the point of trisection of line segment, the points A 2, -2, B -7 and 4, and P x y, find the value of x and y. X value is -1 and y value is 0. Here क्वेश्चन एक कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है, 2 पॉइंट दिया है, कोऑर्डिनेट्स पॉइंट का दिया हुआ है, पॉइंट ए का कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है 2 और x कोऑर्डिनेट 2, y कोऑर्डिनेट -2, यहाँ b पॉइंट का दिया -7 और 4. अब हम उस लाइन को ट्राइसेक्शन कर रहे हैं. ट्राइसेक्शन मतलब होता है 1:2. यहाँ पे 1 m का वैल्यू हो जाएगा m रेशियो n, m का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 1 और n का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 2। अब हमें क्या होता है सेक्शन फार्मूला, सेक्शन फार्मूला होता है mx2 प्लस nx1 बाई m प्लस n। ये x कोऑर्डिनेट हो गया। अब बाई कोऑर्डिनेट, फिर इसमें हम m और x का वैल्यू पुट करेंगे और हमें -1 हो जाएगा। अब हम बाई कोऑर्डिनेट को करेंगे b बाई m बाई 2 प्लस n बाई 1 बाई m प्लस n। अब इसमें हमें 0 वैल्यू आ जाएगा। ये हो जाएगा हमारा बाई कोऑर्डिनेट। सबसे इस चैप्टर में इंपॉर्टेंट है सेक्शन फॉर्मूला याद करना। सेक्शन फॉर्मूला x कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है mx2 प्लस nx1 बाई m प्लस n, और बाई कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होता है m बाई 2 प्लस n बाई 1 बाई m प्लस n। सबसे पहले हम बाई 2 को लेते हैं, फिर हम बाई 1 को लेते हैं। उसमें x कोऑर्डिनेट में पहले x2 को लेते हैं, फिर x1 को लेते हैं। अब हम 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन में पढ़ते हैं। 22 नंबर क्वेश्चन, इन द फिगर फाइंड द वैल्यूज। इसमें सबसे पहले हमें फाइंड द वैल्यूज 2 क्वेश्चन दिया है। क्वेश्चन इज cosec थीटा एंड tan थीटा। सबसे पहले फर्स्ट दिस इज ए hypotenuse, hypotenuse denote for h, and this is a perpendicular and this is a base। okay, this is a base। then we all know hypotenuse formula equals to hypotenuse base plus perpendicular square। here hypotenuse is given 10 square, base is given base square, perpendicular is given 6 square। 10 square 100 equals to base square plus 36। base square equals to 100 minus 36। base square equals to 64, means base value is under root square root of 64, then 8। okay, then cosec theta formula is previous video I explained short trick। here p by p, okay, this is a full form प्यारा बेटा पप्पू हेलो हेलो बोल। अब ये जो फर्स्ट होता है p by h, वो हो जाता है साइन का, साइन का। जो b by h होता है वो हो जाता है cos का, और जो p by b होता है वो हो जाता है tan थीटा का। ठीक है, tan थीटा tan a कुछ एनीवन। ओके, जस्ट रिवर्स हम जब कर देते हैं, जब जस्ट रिवर्स करते हैं मीन्स हाइपोटेनस बाय परपेंडिकुलर तो cosec थीटा का, हाइपोटेनस बाय बेस sec थीटा का, बेस बाय परपेंडिकुलर tan थीटा। देन वेयर cosec थीटा मीन्स हाइपोटेनस बाय परपेंडिकुलर। देन हाइपोटेनस वैल्यू इज 10, परपेंडिकुलर वैल्यू इज 6, मीन्स 10 by 6। either 5 2s are 10, 3 2s are, then 5 by 3 your answers। tan theta formula is perpendicular by base, perpendicular value is 6, base value is 8, 2 3s are 2 4s are, means 3 by 4 answer। this question 22 number question, 22 number question में perpendicular value is given 6, hypotenuse value is 10 given। first we are find base value। base value is how can find one Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular square। hypotenuse 10 square, base square plus 6 square, then base value is 8। then cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular। here I already explained one short trick is प्यारा बेटा पप्पू हेलो हेलो बोल। p perpendicular by hypotenuse, first is sin theta, base by hypotenuse cos theta, and perpendicular by base this is a tan theta। just you reverse hypotenuse by perpendicular cosec theta, hypotenuse by base sec theta, base by perpendicular cot theta। okay, then here cosec theta is hypotenuse by perpendicular, hypotenuse value is given 10, perpendicular value is given 6। then same tan theta perpendicular by base, perpendicular value is given 6, and base value is given 8. Then 3 by 4 answer. Then next question, same. In a triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. Then prove that 2 sin A into cos A equals to A. Then here sin first 1 by 1. Then this is a perpendicular and this is a base. Then hypotenuse is under root square root of 1 square plus 1 square, means under root square root of 2. अब ये sin A means 2 sin A into cos A equals to 1, means LHS is 2 sin A into cos A. LHS is 2 sin A in cos A. What is sin A formula? Sin A formula is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular's value is given 1. Hypotenuse value is square root of 2. Then here 2. Sin A is 1 by root 2. Same cos A. Cos A value is hypotenuse base by hypotenuse. This is a cos. Then base is 1. Hypotenuse is square root of 2. Then if 2 into 1 square root of 2 square root of 2, 2 cancel, then equals to 1. This is a RHS. LHS equals to RHS. This question is very easy. First you know first formula. Here a big right P प्यारा बेटा पप्पू, हेलो हेलो बोल. This is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is the sine formula. Sine base by hypotenuse. This is formula for cos. And perpendicular by base. This is for tan. Just here reverse. But hello hello बोल बेटा प्यारा बेटा पप्पू. Just reverse. Here just reverse means hypotenuse by perpendicular. This is a cosec theta. If hypotenuse by base, this is a sec theta. And base by perpendicular, this is a cot. Okay. Then this type of solve. Then if you know formula, you easily solve. Here sin A. Sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular value is given 1. Hypotenuse is given 1 by root 2. This sin value is 1 by root 2. Cos A. Cos A value is base by hypotenuse. Base value is 1. Hypotenuse base value is square root of 2. Then 2 into 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Root 2 come for 2. 2 cancel. Then LHS equals to RHS. Then next go for 23 number question. Here 23 number question. A box 20 cards which are numbered from 1 to 20. Here one box contain 1 to 20 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. First, this is a probability question because here find the probability. If a card is drawn randomly from the box, then find the probability to getting perfect square number, getting a square number card. Perfect square. Perfect square is how many perfect total? How many perfect square? Then here first 4. Then other is 9. Other is 60. Then probability of event is how many? 1, 2, 3 by total 20. 3 by 20.